In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel. A histogram is a great way to visualize the distribution of numerical data. Instead of showing individual values one by one, it groups your numbers into ranges so you can quickly spot patterns, such as where most values are concentrated, whether the data is spread out, or if there are any unusual gaps. To get started, enter your data into a single column in your Excel worksheet. A histogram works best when your values are organized in one continuous list, because Excel will use that column to build the chart. Once your data is in place, click and drag to select all of the values you want to include. Make sure you're selecting the actual data you want analyzed, and try to avoid empty cells in the middle of the list, since that can sometimes affect how Excel reads the range. With your data selected, go up to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find the tools for creating charts and other visual elements. In the Charts group, look for the option labeled Insert Statistic Chart. This menu includes several chart types used for data analysis, and the histogram option is located there. If you don't immediately recognize it, take a moment to hover over the icons, since Excel usually displays a label to help you identify each chart type. From that menu, select Histogram. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically generate the histogram for your selected data. The chart will appear in your worksheet and display your values grouped into bins, which are the intervals Excel uses to organize the numbers. This automatic setup is useful because it gives you a quick visual summary without requiring manual calculations. Once the histogram appears, take a moment to read it carefully. Taller bars represent ranges that contain more values, while shorter bars show ranges with fewer values. This makes it easier to interpret trends in your dataset at a glance. If the chart doesn't look the way you expected, double check that you selected the correct data range before creating it, and that's all it takes to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel. It's a simple but powerful chart for understanding how your data is distributed. Once you know where to find it, you can create one in just a few clicks and use it to make your spreadsheet analysis much more visual and much easier to understand.